మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, మనం రోజు ఇంగ్లీష్ సంబంధించిన వీడియోస్ చూస్తూ ఉంటాము. కన్వర్జేషన్స్, స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ క్లాసెస్, అలాగే లెర్న్ అబౌట్ డే ఇలాంటివి పెడుతూ ఉంటాం కదా. మరి ఈరోజు వీడియోలో స్పెషల్ ఏంటి అంటే, ఎం ఈశ్వర్ అనే బాయ్ స్క్వేర్స్, స్క్వేర్ రూట్స్ మీద 1 to 100 వరకు టకటక ఎక్కడ అడిగితే అక్కడ ఆపకుండా ఆన్సర్ కరెక్ట్గా చెప్పాడు. అలాగే వాహిని అనే అమ్మాయి కూడా ఫార్ములా మ్యాథ్స్లో చాలా బాగా చెప్పింది. యశ్వంత్ అనే బాబు కూడా క్యూబ్ రూట్స్ 1 to 50 వరకు చక్కగా చెప్పారు అనమాట. మీరు కూడా చూస్తారు కదా, రండి మరి చూద్దాం అందరం.
Hello, good morning everybody. I am Srinivas Reddy, Maths teacher, STVR MCH School, Durgapuram, Vijayawada. Now, I will show the performance of our school 8th class students in mathematics. Okay, thank you. Firstly, I will take Mr.
My name is Ishwar. I am studying 8th class in STVR school.
Now I will ask you squares and square roots from 1 to 100. You have to answer my questions carefully. Okay. First one, 38 square.
1444.
Right answer. Root 1681.
41.
Right answer. 16 square.
256.
Right answer. 49 square.
2401.
52 square.
2704.
Right answer. Root 1156.
34.
Right answer. Root 196.
14.
Right answer. 68 square.
4624.
Right answer. Root 5929.
77.
Right answer. Root 6400.
80.
Right answer. Root 4225.
65.
Correct answer. 91 square.
8281.
Correct answer. 95 square.
9025.
32 square.
1024.
Root 2116.
46.
Very good, correct answer. 55 square.
3025.
79 square.
6241.
Correct answer. Root 9409.
97.
Very good. All answers are correct. You have done very good job. Thank you.
కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్.
Congratulations.
కీప్ ఇట్ అప్.
Keep it up. No wrong answers. He is studying 8th class. From 1 to 100 square roots. No wrong answers are there. He is saying correctly and accurately. The speed and accuracy is very, very important in mathematics. That is why we appreciate our students in this regard. Thank you. Next candidate from 8th class only.
My name is Vahini. I am studying 8th class in STVR school.
Now I will ask her some formulae related to not only 8th class, 8th, 9th and 10th class also. Some of the formulae related. She knows very well the formulae. Now we will see how she will perform these formulae. Your time starts. A plus B whole square.
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
Very good. X cube minus Y cube.
X minus y into x square plus xy plus y square.
X cube minus Y cube.
X minus y into x square minus x square plus xy plus y square.
X plus A into X plus B. First question to you. A plus B whole square.
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
Right answer. Second one. X cube minus Y cube.
X minus y into x square plus xy plus y square.
Correct answer. X minus Y whole square.
X square minus x2 xy plus y square.
Correct answer. x plus a into x plus b.
X square plus into a plus b into x plus ab.
Right answer. A plus b plus c whole square.
A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2bd.
Okay. Area of circle.
Pi r square.
Area of rectangle.
L into b.
Perimeter of square.
4 into side.
Area of square.
S into s.
Circumference of circle.
2 pi r.
Area of rhombus.
1/2 d1 d2.
Right answer. Volume of cube.
A cube.
Volume of cuboid.
L into b into h.
Total surface area of cube.
6a square.
Right answer. Total surface area of cuboid.
2 into lb plus bh plus lh.
Correct answer. Volume of cylinder.
Pi r square into h.
Right answer. Volume of core.
1/3 pi r square into h.
Correct answer. Area of rectangle.
L into b.
L into B. Right answer. Now, curved surface area of cube.
4a square.
4a square. Right answer. Now, curved surface area of cuboid.
2 into 2h into l plus h. L plus b.
H into L plus B. Not H. Right answer. Circumference of circle already over. Okay. Now, volume of sphere.
4/3 pi r cube.
4/3 pi r cube. Right answer. Surface area of sphere.
4 pi r square.
4 pi r square. Right answer. Right answer. Okay, you have done well. Even then, again I am asking you some more questions in exponents. A power p into a power q.
A power p plus q.
A power p by a power q.
A power p minus q.
Right answer. A power 0.
1.
1. A power 0 value 1. Next one. Root a plus root b into root a minus root b. Root a plus root b into root a minus root b.
A minus b.
Right answer. A plus b into a minus b.
X square. A square minus b square.
Very good. Just like x plus y into x minus y, x square minus y square. The same way a plus b into a minus b, x square minus b square. Right answer. Very good. You have done very good job. Okay. Thank you. Now I will ask 1 to 50 not square roots, cube roots. 1 to 50 numbers. Cube roots. I will ask. Tell me your name and.
My name is Yashwant. I'm studying 8th class in STBRMC High School.
Okay. Now your time starts. I will ask you 1 to 50 cube roots. Okay. First one. 7 cube.
343.
Right answer. Second question. 9 cube.
9 cube 729.
Right answer. Third one. 12 cube.
12 cube 1728.
1728. Correct answer. Next question. Cube root of 4913. Cube root of.
17.
Next one. 23 cube.
12167.
Right answer. You can say leisurely. You need not be intense. No tension. Okay. 25 cube.
15625.
Correct answer. Very good. Well done. Cube root 27,000. 27,000.
30.
30 correct answer. Next one 36 cube.
36 cube 2 4 66 56.
46656, absolutely correct answer. Next one, 40 cube.
40 cube is 64,000.
Very good, correct answer. Next question, 45 cube.
45 cube 91125.
Right answer. Next question, 110592. Cube root 110592.
48.
Correct answer. Congratulations for participating in this program for 8th class students. And this is our first attempt regarding mathematics formulae, square roots and cube roots. Primarily they have done better, but in the next video we will try our level best to maintain the speed as well as the accuracy in this program. Thank you very much. Thank you.
అలాగే మీరు కూడా అలాగే నేర్చుకోండి. మీరు కూడా ఇంట్రెస్ట్గా ఇలాంటివి మ్యాథ్స్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాబట్టి ఆడుతూ పాడుతూ నేర్చుకుంటే ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్ అయినా కూడా మనకు కష్టం అనిపించదు కదా. ఇష్టపడి చదివితే ఎంత కష్టమైన సబ్జెక్ట్ అయినా చక్కగా మనం నేర్చుకోగలుగుతాము.